Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you know the badness go. Zooskull there from Zooskull Entertainment, you see me? Today we will talk about the goat. We're not doing a review today, you see me? Yeah man, we'll talk about the goat himself, Vybz Kartel, you see me? So I want to leave a like, share, comment and subscribe, you see me? Yeah, that's a badness there. You see me, just there, a bonus cliff, all our meds, you see me? Yeah man. So what I want to do, just stay tuned. I jump in at the intro. Next me get back to you. You know the thing go. That is it.
Hey yo, it's your girl KB. I'm here represent for the one and only Zooskull. Yeah man, the baddest vlog about the place. So I want everybody subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest in the dancehall. You see me? Me a go tick-tock on it, boom, make it clap on it, bounce like a ball wine, like man and a spine on it. Yeah man, Zooskull, I don't know it go.
Yeah, I know, see a girl just a tell me about a little bad man, hungry belly boy, we talk about my jewelry fear. I'm there and I one of my house them. And I say, oh, well when people hungry, you know, it's a blood clot thing, you know, it's a hell of a thing when you're hungry and that's what I know. If you're not strong, you know, you're just bad man and corrupt down. Yeah man, I 85,000 for my jewelry then man. I'm even not talk about the Rolex and the ring on my buy when me in a prison. Yeah, me there? Yeah, dog. I mean, not talk about the vehicle them I own and the houses and the land. And a matter of fact, I touch the road night, just flash with $4 million. You know it go? Yeah, cause I say make a bad man waste boy like you know. We like to know. Say man rich and happy, you see it? Yeah man, say make a hungry belly boy like you know, dog. See what I say? Yeah.
Adija. You see me? The war angel. You see me? And I whole heap of man now talk a bag of thing right now, I say a bag of thing. But me tell you this, I see from Vybz Kartel, from the door, flick and Vybz Kartel out, bro. The whole, everything just changed. You see me? Yeah man, everything just changed differently. You see me? Even artists when me see usually drop song like say every week artists play a competition for drop song. No artists don't want to drop no song right now. You see me? And this week make 3 week Vybz Kartel drop one song. And it's still their #1 punch ending. You see me? And you have a bag of people that talk a bag of things say song of fuckery. Man now say Vybz Kartel has squander money on one bag of sitting. Viewers and subscriber, I'm gonna tell you this. If your man get locked up for so long, we're not gonna count the year of them, you know, cause if we even count the year of them, it don't make no sense. You see me? Alright. As an example, say 13 years. You see me? A man get locked up for so long. A man will have his money. A man will have his moolah. You see me? Yeah, a man will have his moolah. A man will have his cabbage. A man will have his germs, that's what me and my dog them would say. And a man free up out of the cell, bro. A man come from hell bad man and a man have his money. You feel say a man have a full joy himself? Eh? You feel say a man just come back and say, boy, a jail me then so think about jail all day in life. No fam. When I get to the facts right, man, I want Gaza in there, man. You hear that? I want Gaza out here, man. You see me? Anything after a plaza. But what I say still? I whole heap of man I say, yo, Vybz Kartel a squander money and Vybz Kartel a hype and one bag of sitting. No. You no do better than that, fam. And get the whole thing want go on. The man get locked up for 13 years, you know, fam. 13 years man, they are hellfire, you know. You see me? And the man say Freedom Street now, one the man though. Come out and still they think about what part he did there. The man have to think about where he go, bro. You see me? The man have to think about where he go. A man can't think about say, boy, me they are jail yesterday. Me they are jail. No. The man out now, the man have to think about say, yo, he might have him new fiance. Him come out, him see youth them same way. Cause to a street are running, brother. At least you can slip a man slip out there, you know, remember, you know, slide then slide out, you know. You hear that? So a man have to get the whole concept. People say, yo, Vybz Kartel hype. Vybz Kartel. I you to say, yo, Vybz Kartel now no money. Like leeching on them, man. The brother, Vybz Kartel are entertainer, fam. I whole heap of know say, yo, Vybz Kartel, she and help get to you do this and do that. Who don't know a whole heap of youth them Vybz Kartel know? Who don't know the youth them Vybz Kartel? Vybz Kartel, most of the youth them, bro. Most of the youth them want to see right now to the day in a dancehall. If they're afraid for come and tell you, they can tell you say, yo, a Vybz Kartel footstep they follow same way. And Kartel they behind the bars fam and a whole heap of youth Kartel help same way. You hear me I tell them, I not tell them about no if nor no but. You see me? No matter say, yo, how Zooskull talk like him know Vybz Kartel so. Only if you know, bro. Watch your empire, man. You see me? Mad thing. So I mean I say, so I talk and I say, yo, Vybz Kartel for easy himself. Bro, the man lock up in a cell, bro. The man lock up around there in a hell bad man, in a hell the man there. Man see freedom now. You see me? Man have to make use of that, brother. Man not do no fuckery out there. And I like say man come out and the man influence the youth and say you go kill this or go kill that. You see me? Vybz Kartel is just Vybz Kartel, bro. And the man wasn't influenced no youth out here say you go do this or do that before him even go in. You see me? Remember, you know, me I go to my point of view what me know what go on, brother, cause we not really come do the media. We not do that. We not do that. There's something that we not do it. We not talk about media like that, bro. You see me? Remember me telling you, man. I one skull out here, you know. But anyway, people, we have some artists we want to look out for. You see me? Want to look out for the artist named Ranico 197, Devious. You see me? KB. You see that girl named KB? Bad piece of artist. You know, hear about her is a female. People, wanna get the name them. Devious, Ranico 197, KB, and Damel Piesetta. Look out for them youth there. And the female, they're terrible. Remember me tell you now. Remember, you know, as what Kartel say, you know, a whole heap of them, they are road. And him stay in a hell and sell silver and gold. You see me? Without the real promotion what if you get. You see me? Yeah, man. So when you see certain things are going on, people that say certain things, everybody know what that jump to conclusion and say you're rare. And I like say the man come out and the man a bun, the man a diss up nobody, or the man a diss up no young artist. The man respect every young artist, fam. The man tell you. The man tell you and respect all the young youth them and what them a do. You see me? You don't know we not do the internet, you know. See what I want to do. Just leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. You see me? Tell a family, tell a friend. So Zooskull Entertainment out there, do it till the end. You see me? You know the thing. That is it. Clock is quick.
Boom! I'm going to say face I hear voice, you know, Spencer represent the Zooskull Entertainment. Baddest blogger representing from Jamaica to Canada, you know the thing go. Worldwide. Spencer representing in New York, you know the thing go. Yo, Zooskull. Kill them with the sycamore style coffee, you vlog them more sicker. Yo, killer bees, get the henny and the weed, we no care if a sativa or Rendeka. All of my friend them bad, we no switch a combination team, I pray to get richer. Boom.